Hello everyone, how are you guys? So today this is the third video tutorial. Today I'm going to teach you guys about how to install WordPress theme and then how to configure the theme and how to start WordPress developing. So now I'm in my website. So on my website, so I'll just go to backend and then I will log into my website. So I will just log into my website using my account. So previously I was using this one, so I will just log into my backend and then I will go to the backend. As you guys already know about these things, no need to explain. So I'm in the backend now. So the first thing is I already told you guys that I will install a WordPress theme. So from where we can install WordPress theme? Okay, so we have a WordPress theme directory inside WordPress, and we can also buy theme from online. The first thing is you might have a question: what is theme? So that theme, this is one kind of template. Now we can say like what is template. So now I have to show you. So let's go to theme forest, the most paid theme. I just like theme forest. The people buy theme from here. Okay, this is the most number one place to for WP themes. You can buy your theme, you can sell your theme, or you can sell a lot of things, your all the IT things, all the design things. Like you can sell your hosting, you can sell your products here, a lot of things here. I cannot explain now, but you will know about it one by one. You can also sell your website, code, video, audio, graphics, photo, 3D files, whatever you can sell on online. You can, if it's owned by you, you can sell here. It should be about like IT, okay? And then, for example, we are here. We click WordPress. We go to like corporate. We click corporate. This is like a theme. We click corporate. It's a category of theme. Like there's a different types of category. Like if you want to develop a medical website, the theme will be like medical website. If you want to develop a agency website, the theme will be like agency website. If you want to develop like a restaurant website, the theme will be like restaurant website design. So in this case, we want to develop something like corporate. So we'll see like corporate website design. So this is the theme, and the theme is name is Ancora theme, something Moniki. Then we have a lot of themes here, but we'll just try to have a look one of the themes. What is the themes, right? So we'll just have a look at this Django. We click Django. We'll have a preview here. So there is this is the theme, but we have to know about the theme first. So theme is what? So theme is a customizable and responsive framework. Is developed by PHP, and then JavaScript, and most of the high development. I mean high useful plugin, and then they add all the things together. They make is more useful, more easy to customizable. For example, like if I go to down at this theme, I will just show you what is theme. For example, you can have a look from here. You can see here. You see this like a looks like a website, right? So this is it's like a dummy website. So if we want to create a website in WordPress, we have to use a theme to configure, to customize our pages, customize our design, our customize our theme, customize our design, our website, and then we can put whatever we want to put inside the website. But you no need to do any coding, any single line of coding. So that's why I'm telling that without any single line of coding, you can be a good developer also. But you have to do more practice. You have to know a lot of about these things. So now what will we have a look? We'll have a look about this plugin. So just click live preview. We'll click live preview, and then we'll see the preview of this Django theme will be show here. It will look like a full website. As you see here, it's loading here. So it will take a few seconds here. Okay. So this is a like multi-purpose component. So it seems like it's a multi-purpose theme to use in different places. So you see, it looks like a website here, right? So this is the theme. We can buy this and we can configure this. We can design our things whatever we want. So this is a paid theme. Okay. So this is the design. So what we'll do, you don't have money to buy now. So what we'll do, we will just use WordPress, free WordPress theme. So if we go to Google, if we say like WordPress uh, themes, okay. So if you search like this way, we'll see from WordPress. You see, we see from WordPress like WordPress org slash theme. Just click this way, and then we'll have a look here. WordPress org slash themes. So it has a very big store, theme store. They all the developer develop their theme, especially for user, they put into the WordPress resource, WordPress store, and then we can use any of the theme from here. Okay. So this is Russian version that is changing, but I will show you from the backend. So let's go and start. We'll go to backend, we'll go to appearance to install the theme. We'll go to appearance, we'll click themes, and then we will see here we have three themes. This is theme 17, this is 15, and this is 16. These three themes is developed by WordPress for and this is the three themes as this is a guide to develop WordPress theme. If you know how to read code, and if you can read this theme code from by downloading it, and then you can also understand how the theme is developed and how people develop a WordPress theme. So in this case, we are not going to discuss about this thing like how people develop a WordPress theme. That is the more advanced part, because as we are beginning here, we will learn about how to use it. Then later we will know how people make it. Okay. Okay. Then the thing is, we will install a WordPress plugin. So we'll click here, add new. From this button, click add new. And then we'll see a very big resource will be shown in front of us. We'll able to see all the WordPress themes here one by one, you can see. So in this case, we won't install, we don't know which theme is good, which theme is bad, and then which theme have which function. But as I am a developer, I know some themes that I had used previously, so I have some experience also in free themes. So I will recommend you guys to install one theme. So let's install that theme. So as I know the theme, so I will install a themes that name is one press. So you just type one press press one press, and then you will see the theme will be come, because this is it is filtering the theme from the theme store. So after filter, I will see that WordPress theme is in front of my eyes. It is loading here. So what we will do, once it's loading, you will just click install. Now it's taking time, I don't care, I just click install. So click install. You can see the loading already done. So you click install. What will happen, the theme will be installed. Like when you have a mobile smartphone, so now you want to use the application named Facebook. So what we'll do, you will go to app store, and we will see find the Facebook, and we'll install, and we'll activate it. So this is how the same thing is here. Is like go to your WordPress, and then find a theme and install and activate it. So after install and activate, this theme is activated. But we can see here we have some notification here, not here, we have some notification is here, that you can see here WordPress theme 3, there is 3 notification here. So as I told you guys, before developing or before you start developing, if we see there is some notification and it is saying that is we should have to do this, we should have to update it, then we update it, because is there we just start now you are in the zero. So whatever you will do from the zero, so just don't do like after finish your development and then you update your theme like these things. No, you do it fast. When you see it, do it. So like from the beginning, what I'm saying, like after few months, no, after few months, before updating anything, you have to do backup. That one I will teach you one by one. Let's see, have a look here. We'll click one WordPress theme here, because we are new now, we can update it anytime, nothing will be happen. Okay. So we have, it is saying here recommended action. We will go to here because this 3 is inside the recommended action. So it is saying here, okay brother, you come here, okay fine, you install my theme also, but you have to install plugin to use this theme very nicely. So the plugin is, we have to use a plugin named pirate from, and we have to use a install a plugin named frame theme demo importer, and nothing here, these two only. And there is some information here like setup, front page, display, state, how will that I will show teach you one by one. Don't worry, I will teach you everything. Okay, then we will click install now, and then it will be installed. If everything is fine, it will be installed, don't worry. It will take few minutes to install it. Okay, let's install it, because we have to install it. Don't worry, time doesn't matter, but knowing is must first. So we'll just active it. So once we active this plugin, these two plugin, our website, our theme will be ready to configure. Okay, we can see here our plugins. There is another one, is the frame theme demo importer. So that is not yet completed. I'll go again here to press theme, and then I will go to here again, and then I will active the frame theme demo importer. Okay, this is what I will explain you. The frame theme demo importer means there is some demo inside the theme server. So this theme have a own website, own a company. If you visit, if you just copy this WordPress, if you go and search on Google, you will see they have their, this is a product of WordPress. If you go WordPress, you'll see that this is the theme. You can buy theme also. This one, this is they give you a free version, but they have the paid version of this WordPress theme. Okay, so this is the paid version of this WordPress theme, but they give you a chance. When you use a free version, they give you a chance to import these two design, these two demo. But we are not going to import any demo, because we want to learn from zero. When you will more expert, what you will do, you will just import a demo and configure, and within 2 hour to 6 hour you can deliver a website. If you are more expert, if some people deliver a website within 1 hour. This is a demo import. They have the content. Just copy paste, finish. That's all. We are not doing like this. We will just start from zero until finish, as I told you. So we have ready. We are already ready to do this, but we have another two notification here. Let's have a look. This is what. This is nothing. We will just turn off this icon as a dismiss. This is nothing. This is nothing. I'll tell you. This is a font face and static face, and then I will just turn off this. So what will happen, there is no notification. So now we'll go to our dashboard. This one also no need. So we'll have, as we already install our website, so and install our theme. So now we'll and did we active our theme? Go to, yes, we active already. Sorry, as we active our theme already. So we'll just go to our website and visit, have a look how our new design looks like, new website page look like. Okay, we can see our new website page looks like a very nice way. It looks very nice and very like clean, and looks like very smart. So this is the one. So now what we will do, we'll start to knowing about all the elements, all the components, okay, one by one. So let's have a look about these things. We have pirates from. So we didn't know about the private pirates from. We already installed pirates from. What is private pirates from? We just click pirate from. This pirate from is what I'm telling you. So we go to the website. We go to click contact us. You know, some website have a contact us option. You click contact us, and you will see there will be a forum to fill up your information to contact with the person. For example, if you want to talk with this website owner or website customer care, you just write your name, email, telephone, your company address, and your message, and you can send the message also. So this one is a contract form. So this things is actually controlled by a plugin. So these things you can, there's a lot of plugin to develop this section contract from, but we have now one from is a pirate from that is provided by a theme. We can use this pirate from also, or if you don't want to use this, we can use another from that I will told you. So let's do this thing. So once we install a theme, we have to install few things. Remember, before you start project, after finish theme, you have to install few plugins for your projects. It's actually depend on your projects, but in this case, as we are developing a corporate website first, and after first corporate website development course, we will develop a WooCommerce website. After WooCommerce website development course, we will develop a affiliate marketing website. And then that three, after these three course, and the number fourth course will be what, we will create our own CV website. So after these four things, we will be able to, will be a good developer. Okay, let's do it. Then what we will do, we have to, we already install theme and we can see our website here. So what we have to do, we will install plugin, because we need plugins to develop our website. So I will recommend few plugin to install to develop. It is like common plugin you have to install if you use a free theme. If if you want to use a free theme from WordPress directory, WordPress source, WordPress server, then you have to use a common plugins that is required for your website. The first thing is, we'll go to plugin, we'll click plugins, then we will click add new plugin. Then we'll see we have, we'll see a resource, or we'll see a store plugin directory, and we can see some plugin from here. But what we will install in this case, we will install few plugins. The first plugin we will install, the number one plugin we will install, that is name King Composer. So King Composer, what is this King Composer plugin? So I will teach you this King Composer plugin. This is a page builder plugin, because whatever design we'll do, you will use a page to build our website, right? Page will design inside our page. So this is the page builder plugin to design, develop, add content, delete content, add image, delete image, add video, delete video. This is the plugin, we can use it, and it has a lot of elements also. I will tell you what is elements. Okay, just see what I'm doing. So install this plugin name page builder, install it. Once it installed, we will go for second plugin. It takes time sometime. So let me tell you about the second plugin. It's installing. As it is installing, I'm telling you the second plugin. Second plugin will be your backup system. Okay. Okay, there's something happening here. He's saying unexpected error, sometimes may be wrong. Okay, I think internet problem here, because my internet is disconnected just now, so I have to connect my internet again. Suddenly it's disconnected, that's why its installation failed. Okay, that again come here, so I'll just reload the page again because it's failed, so I have to install again. Oh, my internet again gone. Let's connect again. Something happening in the Wi-Fi. Okay, it's connected. Oh, not yet. Okay, let's try again to connect the internet. Actually, I don't know what's going on here. Okay, let's disconnect it and make it a normal mode. Okay, wait a few seconds. Let's air mode, and then make, I'm just making. Okay, so it is connected again. So let's refresh the page again. Sorry for the delay because it's not in my on my hand because it's internet. It can be disconnected anytime also. Okay, so refresh the page again, then I will again install this King Composer plugin because it's not installed yet. Okay, so you see the plugin again, click install now. So let's install it, and I'm trying to explaining about this. Okay, the second thing is, the second plugin we'll install is backup plugin. What is backup plugin and why we should use backup plugin? So backup plugin do what and why you should use the backup plugin? The first thing is, we are developing a website. We have to keep a backup of our website, right? And after develop your website, when you will deliver your website to client, they will say, okay, do we have any backup or of our website? Why clients say, or and why we have to do it? Because there's a lot of bad people in the world. They can hack our website, right? And there's many good people in the world. They can help us to fix the issue, right? So in this case, we have to keep secure us from bad people who want to hack our website. In this case, if people hack our website, we will lost our data, right? So in this case, if you lost our data, what will be happen? We lost our money, and then we cannot recover the site again. But if someone hack our website and we have the backup of our website, what happen after after hack? And then once we go to our admin panel, and we can again reinstall our website from our backup. In this case, what will be happen if a hacker hack our website and we have the backup of our folder, and then we won't lose our any single of data, but hacker will get our few information. So what we will do, we will update our database information, and we will update our salt from our wp config file, and then we will change our few user password, and that's all. And then we'll whenever we log in from a server from a different unsecure wi-fi or unsecure or free wi-fi, we will try to keep our information secure. So that is the way we can keep our website secure from hackers, and we can keep our website safe from others. Okay, it's still saying update failed, so let's reload it because it was in internet issue. Let's try the last way to install now because internet have some issue. This is like a 4 megabyte file. Okay, it's like only 4 MB. Okay, if I go to this King Composer website, I will show you. Just go to King Composer website. I'll just type kingcomposer.com, and you will see this is a plugin, and this is a plugin, this free plugin. If I go down, there is a download option to King Composer. If I click download King Composer, it will be 4 megabyte only. I click download, and then you see this is like a 3.00 MB. Within few seconds it will be download. Okay, and there's some demo how it will be look like, how we can configure our pages, how we can develop our website, our pages using King Composer. We can develop our website like this, and then we can develop these kind of things also using King Composer. Nothing, it's a very easy things to do. You can do like this way also, make it very nice and very professional. Okay, okay, I go to our add plugin option. Okay, so it's installed now. I'll just activate it. Click activate. Okay, so the thing is the page is activate already. So the thing I have to do, we can just click save changes also, fine, no need also. So we have plugin install, King Composer install. So the second plugin we will install backup plugin. As I told you, we'll go to install plugin again, or we can go to add new. We will install a new plugin that is very useful plugin for everyone. We'll type here WP time capsule. So WP time capsule is a website backup plugin. It's very good plugin. You can backup with your Google Drive, you can backup your website with your Dropbox, your Amazon, your Amazon S3 server, your Google Drive, Dropbox. So just click install now, and then we will install this website. Almost like 10,000 installation happened here, because it is a new plugin. Almost like 1.5 year this plugin on the market, almost 1.5 year. But this plugin have very nice feature. If I go to this WP Time Capsule website to show something about this plugin, we know, let's install it and we know about the plugin a little bit. This is also a knowledge knowing about plugin, why you are installing and what should we will do with this plugin. So you see, I come here to this website WP Time Capsule. This is the official website, and they are control their business from USA. So see, this is one plugin. People develop a plugin and they have a very nice business over there. It's quite cool also. If you can develop a simple plugin and it's very useful for people, and then you will get money also. See, so this is the WP Time Capsule plugin. So this plugin have some features here also. What you can do, you can use your it's for your own business, agencies, e-commerce portfolio, backup, update, and then protect your site from hackers. As I told you, test your changes before making them live, and then uh, how many people's taken backup, and then it's like the updates using, and how, what is the benefits of this backup plugin. So this plugin have a very nice benefit, that this plugin will be automatically backup every day. When you want to backup, you just say to the plugin, you just make a settings there, that I want to backup this will be every day at 1:30 a.m. in the morning. When I will sleep, the website will be backup. Then it will be automatically backup. The second thing is, it will be backup in the real time, and then one only the changes, nothing will be backup more. Like for example, you have developed website yesterday, and your website, this plugin backup yesterday one, and then you develop something new today, and that plugin will be backup new today. So it will do what, it will backup previous one and it will backup new one. It will join, but it won't backup every time's website. Every time a full website, today backup the full website and tomorrow full website. No, it will backup like from where you finish and from where you started. Okay, like this. And then it has a very yeah, very communication, not communication, API, very good API system that helps to people to uh, back up their website into Google Drive, Dropbox, Amazon S3. So you can do that way also. This is their things, and then they have some also protected things from malware, server crash, and then hacks. Okay, and then almost most of the explanation how it's work, and then updates about the things. So we already have a little bit knowledge about this WP Time Capsule plugin. It's also quite nice plugin. So we go to the plugin option. We activate the plugin. So after this, we'll use another plugin that is very useful, and we have to use it, and it is very famous plugin. So we won't use this contact pirate from, for, as I told you, to make this from, we will use a from plugin. That name is contact from 7. Okay, that plugin name is, so you won't register now. It will be the next part, not now. Okay, we'll show you later. Let's finish the installation of the plugin first. So we'll go to plugins. Okay, so we go to again add new. So as I told you guys, we, for developing this kind of contact form, we will use a plugin named contact form 7. Oh, it's contact form 7. So I write down here like altogether contact form 7. So the WordPress is filtering. So the first one is contact form 7. This is the contact form 7. We'll just install it. So this do what, this one help us to create contact form like this, very nice way. Okay, like very professional way. But this one also do this. There is a plugin like pirate from this one. We can also use this pirate from, but we won't do it because it's not so professional. I mean, it's professional, but it's not so famous one, because contact form have very nice features. This contact form match with any types of theme, any types of theme, and it is very easy to configure, because you have to give a simple and very customizable plugin to your customer. Maybe they can control your website after you deliver them. Maybe they can also do some little bit updated in the website. So they can also create a page, they can also create a post. They have to know a little bit, right? When you deliver a website, and you have to give them a little bit training also how they can control the website. Okay, so we have initial the contact from here. So the last plugin we will install from our website, that is free plugin. Also, we'll go to plugin, we'll click add new again. Okay, the last plugin we will install a uh, clear case plugin, that is required. I will explain you why. We'll just write down here case plugin, something like super case, super super cac, super case. Or we can use this is don't have, we can use another one is like wp total case. We can use like w3, something like w3 total case, total, right, as I remember. Okay, let's try w3 uh, total total case plugin. Okay, I can see here cache. Let's have a look here. It's loading also. Okay, we got it here. This is the plugin W3 total case. This is a search engine SEO and performance optimizing WPO. This is a plugin. This is a nice plugin to use. I mean, for magnify CDN page object and make fragment database, and then also save your website cache from browser, and then I can also delete update your website cache. So this is the things you need just for your saving your case. What I will explain one by one. Just install it, I will explain. Okay, what it will do, this w3 total case, it will do what? For example, you go to a website, this wp time capsule. Okay, so when I request for this domain, and when it loads, it take like 15 seconds to load full website, right? So now I can see this website. So in the future, if I close it, in the future I again go to new tab, I say like wptimecapsule.com. So now it will load within a very few seconds, like 2 or 3 seconds or 5 seconds or 10 seconds, and I will see the website. All the things is very fast. See, but when I request this website, it takes time. For example, I go another one. Give me example. I go another one. Where I go, I can go. Okay, I go like the uh, fox. Okay, the foxwp.com. So I go this website. So you see it is loading. If I count, like it's taking like 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, like almost like 20 seconds. I can say like, yeah, it takes 20 seconds to reload whole data, right? Still it is loading. Still it is loading. Okay, I can just minimize it. Still it is loading. You see, it is still loading and coming. See, it's still loading. It's not yet finished, right? Still it's loading. So in this case, once this loading finish, and then in the second time, once it will be loading finish, in the second time, if you load it again, what will happen? We'll see this the fox thing will be load within few seconds. Let's have a look, because I like to give example, because people have to know that why they're using this plugin. It's not like that developer using I'm using. No, you have to know this why developer using. Okay, so see, this is stop already. So and then everything is here. You see, all is loaded here. See, all is loaded. So in this case, if you after a few seconds we come here, and I go again here, we reload this page, not reload, we just close this page, and we go again, we said like the fox wp.com. So if we do this, then what will be happen from our browser case, this website will reload within very few seconds. And you see, you'll have a look at it. It will be reload very fast. Within very few seconds it will be finished, you see. So previously it takes almost like 1 minute to finish the loading, but now within 15 seconds the loading is finished, and data everything is here. So this is happening because of your browser case. So if you want to use a browser case plugin for your website, you have to use this plugin to control this case system. For example, when a user will visit your website, and then after 3 days he will visit your website again. So what will be happen, first time he visit your website, he spend almost like 1 minute to see your full website reloading time like 30 seconds. And then after 3 days, when you will again request that domain to see your website again, it will reload almost like 5 to 7 seconds, 7 or 10 seconds. That is how the fox theme has loaded. So that's why we needed this plugin. We will do this. So we'll just click activate it. So now now we will install the last plugin, that is very important plugins for your WordPress. If you develop a website, if you do not have that kind of plugin, it will very hard for you to come in the search result from Google. So we need a SEO plugin, right? Search engine optimization. When we request for anything we ask into the Google, anything to see, or in any website we request to know, we request like a website like youtube.com. This is the domain. But if we not request like .com, if we request like this way, like if we request like youtube only, youtube not .com, we enter, what will be happen, the search engine will look for the keyword, and it will find the real keyword youtube, and it will show the result into the youtube, into the first page of Google, right? So this is how, if you want to show your website, for example your website name is learn WordPress, so you go to Google and you ask Google to find this website from WordPress. What will be happen, it will find learn WordPress website, but this is from WordPress. Okay, it just is showing, but we don't have WordPress site. But how it is showing, because they have they do their website SEO, they configure everything, that's why their website is on the first page. So in this case we need a SEO plugin. We'll install SEO plugin from plugins. We'll go click add new, and we'll install the plugin. We'll search a plugin name. We'll say like Yoast SEO, YOAST, Yoast SEO. We'll find this plugin from the plugin directory, and we'll install this plugin. This plugin is a very useful plugin too for used for your website SEO. You can see here, improve your website SEO, write better content, and have a fully optimized WordPress site using the used SEO. So we are almost ready to configure our we already configure our website theme. Not configure our website, we already configure whatever we need, we already add whatever we need to develop our website, but we are ready to develop our website almost. So after finish this activation, install this SEO plugin, we will be ready to develop our website. So I think you will have enjoy, you will find some new things, and will enjoy. And I think you will find this course very interesting and useful. I think if you find this course is interesting for you and is very important for you, and if you have some friends also who want to learn, you can just recommend this course for them. This is totally free course. I don't take money to provide it, free course. Because there is a lot of developer, they sell their product on Udemy or Treehouse, but I don't like that. I want myself like a teacher, and then I like to teach people, and then I want to provide whatever I know. I want to teach people that maybe they need also that kind of knowledge, because everyone need money, they are looking for it. Okay, so that's all for this. We already installed whatever we need. So now in the next tutorial we will configure our website one by one, step by step. Okay, so thanks for the video tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you enjoy, just like and then share this video with others, and then please subscribe my channel. Thank you, take care, bye bye.